Good morning, students. Now check the answer key. Okay, the worksheet. The first one, answer the following. The first sum, give two equivalent ratio for each of the following. Okay, give two equivalent ratios. The first sum, 3:2. The solution. First write the 3 divided by 2. Already you know the equivalent ratio means how do we get the equivalent ratio? The multiply or dividing the both common number, both numerator and denominator, we get the equivalent ratio. Now multiply the numerator and denominator 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. The ratio is 6:4. Next step, 3 table. Both numerator and denominator multiply the 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. The ratio is 9:6. So the 6:4 and 9:6 are equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio of 3:2. The equivalent ratio of 3:2. Equivalent ratio to 3:2. Okay. First we multiply 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 divided by 4. The answer ratio is 6:4. Next 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 9:6. The 6:4 and 9:6 are equivalent ratio to 3:2. The next sum. Second sum, which of the two ratio is larger? Ratio is larger. Four is to 5 or 8:15. 4:5 or 8:15. First write the 4 divided by 5, 8 divided by 15. See the denominator 1 5, another denominator is 15. Okay, so not equal. Now 4 divided by 5 multiply both numerator and denominator 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Next is the next one 8 divided by 15. See the 12 divided by 15 or 8 divided by 15. Which one is the larger? Next number. This is 4:5. Next 8:5. 15 is equal to 8 divided by 15. Which one is the largest number? 12:15 is the largest number. Larger number or largest number. Okay, 12 is 12 divided by 15. So 4 is 5 is the largest number. Okay. The next sum. Third sum, divide the numbers given below in the ratio ratio. Ratio ratio. 20 in the ratio 3:2. Divide the numbers given below in the ratio 20 in the ratio 3:2. First, sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Okay, 20 in the ratio 3 is to 2. First sum of the ratio 3 is to 2. Sum of the ratio 3 plus 2 5. Okay, the 5 parts. 5 parts equal to the given 20. Okay, the 5 parts. Now find the one part. 20 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5. 4 5s are 20. So 1 part is equal to 4. Now find the 3 parts are 2 parts and 2 parts. 3 parts. 3 into 4, 12 and 4, 2 parts. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, first find the total parts. 5 parts equal to 20. Then find the 1 part 4. Now next find the 3 part and 2 part. Okay, 3 parts 12, 4 part, 2 parts 8. Okay, next sum. The fourth question, a line segment 63 cm long is to be divided into 2 parts in the ratio 3 is to 4. Find the length of each part. Total length already given 63 cm. The ratio 3 is to 4 already given. Now sum of the ratio. Three plus 4, 7. So 7 parts. The 7 parts is the total length 63. Now find the 1 part. 63 divided by 7. So the sum table 1 7 plus 7. 9 7s are 63. So 1 part is equal 9. Now find the 3 part. 3 parts equal to 3 into 9. 9 3s are 27. Now 4 parts. 4 parts equal to 4 into 9. 9 4s are 36. Okay, so 63 centimeter can be divided 27 and 36. Okay, next the page number 68. The page number 68. Proportionality law. If two ratio are in proportion, if that is A is to B is equal, C is to D. A is to B, already know how to read. A is to B is equal, C is to D. Then the product of extreme is equal to the product of means. Okay. Extreme means. Which one the extremes? A in B. Which one the means? B into C. The product means multiply. Product means multiply. Okay, you multiply A is to D is equal to B is to C. For example, 2 is to 1 is equal 1 is to 2. Sorry. Yes, 1 is to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is equal, 2 is to 1 is A, B is equal, C is to D. Product of extremes. Product of extremes, multiply extremes. A is A into D. 2 is to 1, 2. Product of means 1 is to 2, 2. We will get the answer same. Okay. If two ratio are in proportion, A is to B is equal, C is to D, the product of extremes and the product of means AD is equal to BC. This is called the proportionality law. Okay. Here A and D are the extremes. A and D are the extremes and B and C the means. Okay. If two ratio are equal, ratio are equal, A is equal to A divided by B, C divided by D. A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. Then another A B is equal to CB. A into D is equal to B into C or C into B. Okay, called the cross product of proportion. Cross product of proportion. Okay, now go to the exercise 3.3. Take the page number 70. Fill in the box. 3:5 is equal dash is to 20. The second sum dash is to 20, 24. 3 is to 8. 5 is to 4 is equal 10 is to 8 is equal 15 is to dash. Next fourth one, 12 is to dash equal to dash is equal to 4 is equal to 8 is to 16. Now find the answer. This is A, B, C, D. Okay, A and D is extremes, B and C means. Now multiply the product of extremes. 320s are 60. Now how? Which number multiply with 5? Get the answer 60. Or otherwise 5 4s are 20. You multiply the table 4 table. 5 4s are 20. The same table multiply the 3 4s are 12. The answer is 12. Or another method. Into 20 is equal 5x. Okay, this is product of extremes. 20 into 3. Next product of means 5 into x. 320s are 60. 5x. Now we want only the x. So keep this side. Next the 5 goes that side. The divided multiply 5 divided 5. Okay, 1 5s are 5. How many 5s are 60? 12 5s are 60. So answer is 12. Next. The second sum. The same 8x equal to 3 into 24. You x only keep that side. 3 into 24. The 8. This side the multiply 8 going that side. Divide 8. 8. 1 8s are 8. 3 8s are 24. X is equal to 3 3s are 9. The answer is 9. Next. 5. Take only to this. 10 into x. 8 into 15. 8 15s are how much? 5 4s are 5 8s are 40. 0 remaining 4. 1 8s are 8. 9 10 11 12 120. 10 into x 10x. X only keep that side. 120 divided by 10. 0 0 cancel. The answer is 12. The answer is 12. Next the last sum. First compare to this. X into 6. The two number is missing. One x and one y. Okay. This take only y. Y into 16. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 divided by 16. 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. The y is 2. Now compare these two. 12 into 4. 12 into 4. X into 2. The missing letter is taken x. 2 only keep that side. 12 into 4 divided by, sorry, x only keep that side. 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 12 2s are 24. The x is 24. The x is 24. Next, the true or false? Two is to 7. 14 is to 4. The same. The product of extremes and the product of means is equal is true. Is not equal false. Now multiply the product of extremes. Product of extremes 2 is to 4. Next the product of means 7 is to 14. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 17 4s are 4 7s are 28. 8 remaining 2 1 7s are 7. 8 9. Okay, 98 is not equal to 8. So the false. First one is false. Okay. The second one. 7% is to 49. 7% is to 49 persons and equal 11 kg is equal is to 88. Now the same multiply the extremes 7 into 88 and 11 into 49. This is product of extreme. This is product of means. 788 are 88 7s are 8 7s are 56. Remaining 5. 8 7s are 56. 61. 616. Now multiply the 49 11s are 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. 9. 4 plus 9 13. Remaining 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 39 is not equal. Okay. The second one also false. Next the third one. Ten book is to 15 books. 10 book is to 15 books is equal 3 books is to 15 books. 10 is to 15, 3 is to 15. Okay, now multiply. 10 is to 50, 10 into 15, 3 into 15. 10 15s are 115, 3 15s are 45. It's not equal, so this is also false. Next the third question. The next third question. Using the numbers 3, 9, 4, 12, write two ratios that are in proportion. Okay, proportion using the numbers 3, 9, 4, 12, write two ratios that are in proportion. Now find the product of extremes. Product of extremes. Which one the extremes? A, B, C, D. A and D is extremes. 3 is to 12. 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36. Now find the product of means. Product of means. 9 4s are 36. The both of product of extremes and product of means are equal. Now 3 is to 9 is equal 4 is to 12. The ratio of proportion 3 is to 9 is equal 4 is to 12. Next the next sum. Fourth sum. Sorry, the using the numbers 3, 9, 4, 12, write two ratios. Okay. Now write only one ratio. That are from the next ratio. This is first point. The given number 3, 9, 4, 12. First take A, B, C, D. Okay. Product of extremes A into D. 3 is to 2. 3 into 2 is 36. Next product of means B into C. 9 4s are 36. This is one ratio. Now you find the next second ratio. The second point. The ratio is number 93. Change the number. Let's change the interchange number 93, 12, 4. 93, 12, 4. Just interchanging the place only. Okay. Product of extremes. 9 into 4. Now A, B, C, D. And 4s are 36. Now product of means 3 12s are 36. Now write the ratio. 9 is to 3 is equal 12 is to 4. 9 is to 3 is equal 12 is to 4. This is another ratio. Okay. The question asks 2 ratio. Now find the 2 ratio. The next sum. Fourth sum. The fourth question. Write the mean and the extreme terms. Write the mean and the extreme terms in the following. Ratios and check whether they are in proportion. The first point, 78 liters is to 130 liters and 12 bottles is to 20 bottles. Okay, 78 liters is to 130 liters and 12 bottles is to 20 bottles. Okay, now answer 78 is to 130 is equal 12 is to 20. 78 is to 130, 12 is to 20. Now what is the extreme term? 78 into 20. Now multiply only the numbers. 78 into 2. 8 2s are 16, 6 remaining 1. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. How many 0 remaining? 1 0. Now add 1 0. The answer is 1560. Now mean term. 130 into 12. 13 12s are how much? 156 and remaining 1 0. Okay, the both of extreme term and mean term are equal. The product of extreme term and the product of mean term is equal, so it is proportion. Okay, the next sum, second point. 400 gram is to 50 gram and 25 rupees is to 625 rupees. The same sum. Extreme term. First write the ratio of 400 is to 50 is equal 25 is to 625. Now extreme term. 400 into 625. Already told you, only multiply the numbers only. 625 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 0, remaining 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0, remaining 1. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2500. Next 0. How many 0 is remaining? 2 0. 1 2. The answer is 2,50,000. Okay. Next is the mean term. 50 into 25. 5 25 are how much? 5 5 are 25. 5. Remaining 2. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 2, 2 1. 125. Then remaining 1 0. See the both of the product of extreme term and the product of mean term is equal? No. Okay. So we write the product of extreme term is not equal to product of mean term. So it is not proportion. Okay. Next the objective type questions. Seven to 1. Which of the following ratio is proportion? Answer is C. 2 is to 5, 10 is to 25. This is only the proportion because the product of extreme term and the product of mean term is equal. 5 times are 50, 25 times are 50. The otherwise is not. Okay. So the answer is C term. C. 8. If the ratio formed using the numbers 2, 5, x, 20 in the same order or in proportion, then x is what? Okay. Now multiply the product. Now take the product of extreme term is equal product of mean term because the question is given proportion. Okay. 22 is 40. 5 into x. Okay. X only keep that side. Next multiply 5 divided 5. 1 5 are 5. 8 5 are 40. So the x is 8. The answer is 8. Which one is the answer? D is the answer. D is the answer. Next 9 to 1. If 7 is to 5 is in proportion, 7 is to 5, 2 is equal, x is to 25. Now find the x. 7 is to 5 is in proportion to x is 25. The same 7 is to 25 is extreme term is equal mean term. 7 into 25 divided by 5 is equal to x. 1 5 are 5, 5 5 are 25. So the x answer 7 5 are 35. The answer is 35. Which one is the answer? C is the answer. Okay. Thank you children. See you in the next class. The exercise 3.4. Okay.